Welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a key innovation in electronics, HDI PCBs. HDI stands for High Density Interconnect, a type of PCB with higher wiring density in a compact form. Key features include laser-drilled microvias, blind or buried vias, stacked layers, and any layer interconnection. It uses finer lines, microvia drilling, and multi-layer stack-ups to enable greater functionality in smaller spaces. HDI enhances signal integrity and reduces delay, making it ideal for high-speed, high-frequency designs. HDI PCBs are widely used in smartphones, high-end tablets, 5 grams devices, automotive electronics, and medical gear. Especially in compact devices with high functionality demands, HDI is an essential core component. HDI PCBs are a driving force in the smart electronics era, enabling higher performance in smaller packages. Welcome to our official website, www.pcbasic.com, to learn more.